Today, I'm going to show you how to access your email account from DirectAdmin. There are two ways to access your email account from DirectAdmin. First, sign into your DirectAdmin account. Then, click Email Accounts in the Email Manager tab. Here you can see all your email accounts. Click the Sign In to Webmail icon of the particular email account you wish to access, and then you'll be able to use your email account. For the second method, return to the DirectAdmin main menu. Scroll down to the Extra Features section and click on the Webmail round cube. You can only access your default DirectAdmin email account from here. Enter the username and password of your default email account and click the Login button. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like and subscribe buttons for more. Stay tuned for our next tutorial. Until then, happy hosting.